So your ChatGPT account has been blocked. There may be several reasons. You may have forgot your password and your account may have gotten blocked due to the invalid attempts to log into your account, or whatever the reason may be. Let's see that how you can recover your blocked ChatGPT account in just a simple step. I will share with you two different solutions and any of them may work and your account will be recovered. The very first is you first of all have to press the login button and after that enter the email address of your ChatGPT account. And after entering the email, just press the continue button, and when the next page appears up, on this page you have to press the forgot password button. And when you press the forgot password, again your email will be showing in this box, and after that press the continue button and an email will be sent to your email address. And from there you just have to open up that email and reset your password using the link it has sent to you in the email. And as soon as you reset your password, your ChatGPT account will get recovered and it will not remain blocked anymore. So this was the solution number one. But the problem with this solution is many people complained that they don't receive the email when they enter their email address in this box. So for those the solution is not working, they have to go back and back again and one more time back. From this login page where they enter their email address, the solution number two begins, which is you don't have to write your email address in this box for logging in your account. You have to press continue with Google button and try logging in your email address and account using this option. Again, type your email address here and the password and you will be logged into your account and your account will get unblocked. So these were two different solutions. Let me summarize. The solution number one is you have to recover your password, which is by going into the forgot password option given by ChatGPT. But if that solution doesn't work, you have to move to the solution number two, which is logging in your account using Google or even using Microsoft account. This is just a bug and you have to overcome this bug in this way. So let me know in the comments that which thing worked for you, recovering your password or logging in your account with Google or with Microsoft account. It will be a big help for the others if you mention the solution in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.